We're going to fix your Galaxy S7 Edge back glass in less than 2 minutes. Let's do it. Galaxy S7 Edge, and how to replace this thing right here. Take a razor blade and you're going to cut all the way around it. Showing you guys right here, you can see all the glue strips. Just take a razor blade, take your time. You can't hit any vital ribbons or anything like that. It's real simple. So go ahead and cut around. You can get these on eBay for about 30 bucks and then do it yourself. Alright, don't forget to remove your camera lens right here. You can pop that out, not real hard.
Just out of curiosity, how much do you charge to do the iPhone screen?
Right here. Which model?
It's a buddy's phone. I mean, I got a Samsung, but I just figured I'd ask. I want to say it's probably...
Take a picture of it, send it to him? Maybe.
Fair enough, fair enough. That's a good call. And of course, I don't have my phone on me. I'll be right back.
Alright, got the camera lens out right here, as you see. Put that sucker in. He's like, what are you doing? Alright. Make sure you clean off all the broken shards.
Black Sabbath tickets, and I don't even think I'm gonna be able to go.
Remove the sticky adhesive.
Sweet. Have a good one, guys.
Thank you. See ya. Alright, good as new. The damn repair shop tried to charge me $300 for that. Do it yourself.